Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to customize display and sounds on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So head over to Quick Settings, go to All Settings, and now you're going to navigate down until you find the setting that says Display and Sound. So you have it there, click on it, and the first thing I want you to do is to ensure that HDMI CEC is turned on. So enable this. This is going to allow you to control and even automatically turn on and off other HDMI CECs enabled devices with one remote control. So you can use just one remote control to have all that control. Next, I want you to go to display, set the text to default, but if it's too small, you could increase it to larger sizes. What you see to the right of the screen is a preview showing you how it's going to look like. Next, dynamic range and color format should be set automatically to YCB CR. If it is not on this option, you should put it here, but by default it comes in that option. Anytime you have the display malfunctioning, you could use this button right here to display settings reset. So this will clear user display settings for color format, even the HDR strategy and Dolby Vision. So this will bring back your display settings to default and clear any issue you may have done while maneuvering the settings. Now you can match content dynamic range. I'm going to leave this off. Reason being, there's a flicker, or rather it turns the screen dark each time you're moving from one dynamic range level to the next. So that black screen causes a distortion or a disruption to your viewing experience. So I'm preferring to turn that off, or rather leave it turned off. You will turn this on if you like, and that will match the content dynamic range for each content. So anytime you move from one content with a higher or lower dynamic range, the Chromecast is going to switch as well. So still under display and sound, the resolution is set to automatic. You could put any custom resolution. Is as high as 4K and as low as 720p. So it just depends on your preferences. Game mode is allowed. You could just connect your gamepad and play any game you want. As long as this is on, you have a seamless gaming experience. And as I said previously, I prefer the dynamic range to be the system preferred conversion. So I'm allowing the system to manage the format conversion. Also, my format selection is automatic, so I'm using the device formats there, and under sounds I'm allowing the system sounds to be on, so I can receive feedback each time I engage with the display, move around the system, and so on and so forth. Under advanced sound settings, you could choose to never use surround sound. In my opinion, if you have good speakers or good external speakers or sound system, this will rob you of that quality. So I prefer to leave it at automatic. You enable all the formats that are supported by the audio output device. You can also select manual. This will selectively enable or disable each format supported by the device, regardless of what is supported by your audio output device. So this will not take the audio output or the external audio device or the Bluetooth device into consideration, but this one would. So I'm choosing that one. I can also show you the formats. So you can have the Dolby Digital, the Dolby Digital Plus, DTS, Dolby Atmos with Dolby Digital Plus as well. So I choose to have this done automatic. If you have something specific, you could do that as well. So basically that's it for this video. I have showed you how to customize display and sound on Chromecast. Now if that was useful, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.